Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Car AI box. It's full Android system. Let's go ahead and open it. This is from Zen. USB-C, SIM card, and SD card. What else? Let me go ahead and test it out, how it's gonna work. This basically makes the CarPlay, Apple CarPlay wireless, and even you can use SD card also. You can store some music or video and watch it there. Alright. This is regular CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, but you're not able to use or install any application on this. But I'm gonna show you the other one, and you can do so many things with that. Let's go and test it out. Okay, I'm gonna restart or screen calibration. It is restarting right now. You can see it, blue and red. We're gonna wait for a while, and now it did the screen calibration. Let's wait for a while. Apple CarPlay is changed right now. This is not the original Apple CarPlay. Then we have AI box. Let me go ahead and connect. Pair. Allow. It's already connected. We have Netflix, VLC, and let me look at Google Maps, and accessibility settings. That's wonderful. And it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. I'm gonna connect my internet connection to this AI box. Let's see what it does. Settings. My screen is broken. Don't worry about that. You don't have to buy Android head units, because this is gonna convert your radio, regular radio with the CarPlay, to Android head units. Network connection, Wi-Fi. Okay, let me go ahead and connect. Now it's connected. Skip. Okay, got it. All right, we have Netflix also. It says new version of Netflix. Let's go ahead and update it. You need to sign in and do some other things. Also, let me go ahead and sign in first, and then I will come back. Now I signed it. All right, and then it is asking some questions. Yes, I'm in. And now we are ready to install YouTube. Accept. Okay. Now I can install some other applications, whatever you need, and then continue with that. Let me go ahead and find YouTube. Oh, has already YouTube. That's good, but how am I gonna find YouTube? Alright, let's go ahead and look at the applications from the beginning. This is the beginning, and it's the settings, and you can connect your phone, speed, play store. You can install any app you want. Not regular CarPlay. It's not allowing you to install other applications, but this one, it has everything almost, even Netflix. There's YouTube. When you first turn on the car AI box, it is telling you to update the applications, then it's gonna work. Isn't this amazing? Normally you cannot use YouTube or Netflix or any other applications. Regular Apple CarPlay doesn't allow you to install programs. It is too limited. But this one, you can install YouTube, Netflix, and other applications. Whatever it's on the Play Store, you can install it. I'm gonna go ahead and go to YouTube in a sec. Now it's installed. I'm gonna go to YouTube. Alright, let me go ahead and look at no copyright music. It's copyright free. Let me go ahead and find something else. That's Google Maps. You can continue listening to your music while you're using your Google Maps. And let's go to the applications. Bluetooth music, Google Chrome. You can use internet connections, Spotify, and other things. I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.